Okay, this is the beginning of Chapter 8, Solutions of Equations, page 421 and following. This should be relatively easy based upon what we already did. Some key words, though, that you need to know is an equation is a statement that has two mathematical expressions are equal. So notice this is equal to that. We have a middle. This is equal to that. We have a middle. And in the middle is the equal sign. A solution of an equation is a variable that makes a statement true. So whatever we substitute in, if it makes the two sides equal, it's considered a solution because it makes the statement true. So for example, when I substitute in 2 here for x, I get both sides equal to 5. So 2 makes the statement true. Okay, that's what a solution to an equation is. All right, so we're going to work on substituting and determining whether it's a solution or not. 2010-9, the women's basketball team of Duke lost 5 of their 29 games. The equation W plus 5 can be used to find the team's number of wins, W. Determine whether W equals 14 or W equals 24 is a solution. So that's how they're going to work this in the beginning. They're going to give you some options, and you have to determine whether it is a solution. So first, we substitute in 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 does not equal 29. So the answer there is, like you see right here, not a solution. Okay. Next, we're going to check 24. Notice you have to substitute it in. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 equals 29. So W equals 24. So 24 is a solution. So the solution of the equation W plus 25 equals 29 is W equals 24, which means that the team won 24 games. Because remember, up here it said to find out how many games they won. And I know you could have done that in our head, but we have to learn the process as we get harder problems. Not equal. Okay, let's flip it over. Okay, we have same steps, but now we have decimals. Determine whether the given value is a solution or not. So x minus 3.7 equals 4.3. And they're saying, is x 3.6? So I'm going to come over here. 3.6 minus 0.7 equals 4.3. Set it up. Got to line it up. 0.7. Cancel. That's a 2. So 2.9. 2.9 does not equal 4.3. So the equation is not true when x is 3.6. So 3.6 is not a solution. Hope that makes sense so far. Next, so that was with decimals. Now we have with fractions. Okay. All right. 1/3 A, that means 1/3 times whatever A is needs to equal 1/4. And they're saying that A equals 3/4. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to substitute in 3/4 for A. Remember what I do. You guys know how to do this. Look what I can do here. I can cross cancel ones and ones. So now I have 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 times 4, which is 4. So 1/4 equals 1/4. So the equation is true when A equals 3/4. So A equals 3/4 is a solution. So far, so good, right? Okay, next. Page 422. Example. And remember, you've been writing equations. So it's going to get to the point where you need to write this based upon the work that you've been doing and knowing how to write equations. Okay? The 6th grade class president serves a term of 8 months. Janice has already served 5 months of her term as class president. The equation m plus 5 equals 8 can be used to determine number of months m Janice has left. So this m stands for the months she has left. Use mental math to find the solution. What number plus 5 is equal to 8? Well, we know in our head 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Use substitution to check whether 3 is the solution. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 8 equals 8. So m equals 3. is a solution and 3 months of her term remain. Okay, page 422. We're moving on to page 423. Again, this is not rocket science, and hopefully I think you can do this. Remember, we substitute, solve. Okay, so they're telling us x equals 7. 7 plus 12 is 19. And then determine not a solution. We're going to substitute. 15 minus 13 equals 2. 2 equals 2. Solution. Substitute, solve, determine. All three. 1/2 times 28 equals 14. So I can cross cancel these. 1, 14. 14 over 1 equals 14. Solution. Okay, they're saying m is 2.9. 2.9 plus 2.5, does that equal 4.6? So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do 2.9 plus 2.5. 14, decimal comes straight down, carry the 1, 5.4. So no, 5.4 does not equal 4.6. So not a solution. Going to substitute in 14.7 minus 8.7 is equal to 6. Going to come down here and subtract 0, 6.0. Hey, 6 equals 6, so that is a solution. So 14.7 is a solution. K is 7/10 minus 3/5 is equal to 1/10. So when I get a common denominator, it's going to be 7/10 minus 6/10, and that does equal 1/10. So that is a solution. Okay. So we're going to determine whether, remember, substitute, solve, determine. 17 plus 17.9, 0.8. We're going to substitute in 32 plus 35 is equal to 57. We're going to substitute in 18 equals 2/3 times 12. So you're going to finish this. This video is 8 minutes long. I want to make sure that you get time to complete it. Okay, you finish these three. See if it's a solution or not a solution. In the equation t plus 2.5, determine whether t, so you have three things to find out whether it's a solution. You can use your calc and just determine which is the solution. So use your calc, substitute, and then determine which one is the answer. Okay, same thing here. They're going to give you three options. You have to determine which is the solution. So finish these. Okay, that's page 423. Okay, this is a good one to read through and do. Okay, I like this one. It's interesting here, the length of the day on different planets. Okay, and then you can, we'll go over this together after you finish it. Okay, you take a shot at it.